Brandow Consulting is a fishbowl inventory implementation company, which means we do anything and everything required to assure your experience with fishbowl is a success. We've been working with fishbowls since 2006 and have worked with all kinds of industries and companies. We've learned that there are several things required to assure your successful implementation. Sometimes connecting fishbowl to other software is required, such as CRM or shopping carts or carrier software or even performing EDI integrations. Almost every project requires reports to be customized, so we have a report writer on staff who customizes reports using the BI module or iReports. A report in Fishbowl is basically anything that's printed out of Fishbowl, including your labels, your sales orders, your purchase orders, your sales reports, your accounting reports, all of that. And also, over the years, we've discovered a proven system that works to assure the implementation is a success. Through both success and failure, we've learned from every project and have come up with these 5 steps. Step 1, IT infrastructure needs to be quality. Step 2, we need to start out with a practice file and set it up with all of your data and test it. So we help you set up a practice file, working with a key person in your company. While working with this key person, we also document your processes and make decisions regarding best practices for your specific company and assign roles and responsibilities. Step 4, we train the staff and give them adequate time to practice. And then finally, step 5, we convert the practice file to a live file and connect it to QuickBooks and watch all of your data go into Fishbowl correctly and flow through to QuickBooks correctly. And isn't that the final goal? Isn't that the exciting time to see everything work? And that's our passion, and we can help you do that.